Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you have connected your phone to your car via Bluetooth. Music plays fine, but Waze directions won't come true. The voice guidelines is either completely silent or playing through your phone speaker instead of the car speakers. This is a Bluetooth routing issue and it can be totally frustrating. So what we're gonna do in today's small tutorial is actually how to fix Waze Bluetooth audio not working. First and first, we want to understand the Bluetooth routing. Waze navigation audio is treated as media audio, not phone call audio. Some car stereos separate these two channels. If your car is only prioritizing phone calls over Bluetooth, Waze won't have a channel to send direction through. So, check your car's Bluetooth options and settings. On your car screen, go through the Bluetooth or connected devices menu. Select your phone and make sure media audio, sometimes called audio streaming, is enabled, not just phone calls. Then, you can easily force Waze to play on the phone speaker. If your car's Bluetooth isn't cooperating, this is a reliable workaround. Open Waze and go through settings, voice and sound. Find play sound via and select phone speaker instead of Bluetooth. This way, even if your car doesn't support media audio properly, you will hear directions through your phone. Then, test by disconnecting Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off temporarily to see if sound works through the phone speaker. If it works, the issue is with your car's Bluetooth media, not audio, basically routing. And at this point, you can check your phone's Bluetooth settings by going through settings, connected devices, Bluetooth, your car, and make sure media audio is enabled on your phone side as well. Right now, check if your car's firmware have any updates that you need to do. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.